In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to diagnose, remove, and replace a faulty windshield wiper motor. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper way to unplug and diagnose your vehicle's windshield wiper motor. The wiper motor is going to be located on the firewall or bulkhead. It's either on the passenger or driver's side and is going to look very similar to this device here. This is the wiper motor on a Ford Probe GT. They all pretty much look similar, however they may be mounted in different locations. This is what you're looking for. It'll also be in close proximity to one of the wiper arms, one of these components here. What I'm going to do is unplug the connector and check to see if we got some good power to it. If your wiper motor stops working, what you're going to do is, to diagnose it, is turn the key on and turn the wipers to one of the desired selections. I try high first and see what we got. I have the wiper motor on high right now and the wipers are not working. So what I'm going to do, there we go, now it's on high. What I'm going to do is probe the connections with my test light and see if we're getting power to them. I'm going to hook my test light up to the ground side of the battery and then probe and see if we're getting power. There's power there and power there. That is the hookup for my high speed. I'm going to go ahead and check the low and intermittent speed as well. Just move the wand to that selection. And you'll notice the points are different. These were the points for high speed here and here. You notice how the second one did not light up. Low and intermittent is going to be powered up here and here. Once you've verified that you're getting power to your wiper motor, you're going to make sure that the motor itself is grounded to the firewall. You're going to do that by switching your clamp lead from the negative to the positive side of the battery and sticking your probe into the battery or into the wiper motor case. As you can see, the test light lights up. That verifies the ground side of our circuit. That is the proper way to diagnose your vehicle's wiper motor.